someplace far away.
Mary, I may be the most unworthy man in the world, but my love for you is real, and I'm hoping that you love me too.
I'm too young for relationship, Joseph. It is me who is unworthy of you.
But my love for you is real. I can't lie against my heart and against my soul. God knows my intentions are pure and true. I can't explain why I feel this way.
I understand, Joseph. If it is the will of heaven that you and I are meant for marriage, then let us wait as heaven unfolds this plan.
Then for now, know that I love you. Nothing